So this is going to be a really short video about the bumper, which is over there. I'm going to show you a little bit. I have a Mazda 6 Turbo, and I have a Mazda 6 Turbo, and what I wanted to do is to save the intercooler and the radiator, the air conditioning condenser from rocks and bugs, and let me show you how I did that. In order to take the bumper off, there is a screw that goes right here. It goes through the bumper, right through that hole. So don't just loosen it up and then try and pull on this, because you'll break it. There's one here. I just did an oil change. And there's one over here. Then there are two big fasteners here that you just pull out. You don't have to do anything with that. There are 4 screws at the top. There is one there underneath the air cleaner, so don't forget that one. And then of course all the ones that go across here at the bottom. What I did is I took a fiberglass screen door mesh. So you can see up here I just used the screws for the grill insert. I use a little, see, you know, I've tried to use tape before and obviously it doesn't work. The stuff down here came out as well. Down here is actually really close to the intercooler. So what I'm using here, they're called binder clips. I don't know if you can maybe see this one a little better. They're the kind that you get at Staples. They're just made to keep papers together, and they work really well on this lower screen. But here you can see it's catching stuff already. Anyway, so that's just really quick. I didn't want to spend a lot of time. These are the 2 Christmas tree fasteners that go into those holes, and everything else is just the little screws at the bottom, and then the bumper just pulls right off. Anyway, that is how to protect your air conditioning condenser at the top, and how to protect your turbo intercooler if you have a turbo Mazda 6. If you wanted to know what the inside looks like, actually it's kind of interesting. It actually does take ram air from here and then vents it out. I don't know if you can see that, but vents it out this hole here, which is kind of cool. I would rather have fog lights, but if you have a Mazda 6, this is the, oh heck, what's it called? It's not the Signature, it's the Reserve. This is the Mazda 6 Reserve, and there are no plugs around here anywhere for fog lights. So if you're wondering, oh, I could put fog lights, I suppose you could cut holes here and put some custom LEDs, but it is not made for factory fog lights. This is, if you're interested, this is the radar cruise control. There's your intercooler. Looks like maybe there's something stuck there. And then the radiator, the air conditioning condenser. Anyway, that's it. Thank you very much. See ya.